Welcome you all my lecture series of data structures. In previous class we have seen that array implementation of stack. In today's video we are going to see about how the stack is implemented using the linked list implementation. So what is a linked list? Linked list is nothing but it is a singly linked list. So the singly linked list is nothing but it contains that every element contains a two part. One is the data part, other one is an element part. So in that linked list implementation, first we will see that push operation. So in the dynamic memory location, first we have to allocate the memory for the node. For that statement, what is the statement for that? New which is equal to stacked start node malloc of size of that stacked node. For the every node structure contains the struct node. It is contains the integer data part and the struct node star next. It is a self-referential pointers. So that points to the same structure of an another element. So in that node structure we are creating three variables. One is a new, other one is a temp, other one is a top. So first we have getting the element using the scanf statement. Scanf the element. Next step we have to check if the top is equal to null, means there is no element in the stack. So we are creating that is we are creating already we are creating that node is a new, so we are inserting a new data part as a element, a new next part as a null. Now the top is equal to no new. Initially the top is equal to null, so if it is null abdina the newly inserted element is the top element. So we are assigning top is equal to new. So automatically, for example, consider the new node is created in the location of 1000, means what is stored in the top variable. It is a pointer variable that stores the 1000 value. Automatically it is a pointer variable, means it points to the address of that node. It points the address of that new. So the top connected to the new element. Else means that is the element in the stack, means next the same process we are going to insert the data in that element part, and new word and next is equal to top. Now we are directly inserting the next part of new to the top. For example, already the top contains that the top element contains store in the position is a 2000, means now we are creating a new node. We are that top is equal to இப்போ நியூவோட நெக்ஸ்ட் என்ன அப்படின்னா, ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் 3000னா அந்த 3000 is stored in the top pointer variable. So what does it mean? The top now point to the newly inserted element. So for every inserting we are going to change the address of the top only, not that any changes we are made. So we change the address variable, address value in the top, automatically it points to the top element. So this is the statement of the push operation. Next is a pop operation. So in that pop operation means considered in the top in the stack we already it contains the three elements 10, 20, 30. Now what is the top value? The top value store in the top pointer store the value of 3000. So automatically it points to the element 30. So next in the pop operation, first we have to check whether if a top is equal to null, means there is no element. So if there is no element means what we have to print, that stack is empty. So else, so what we have to do means temp is equal to top. Now what is the value stored in the temp? Temp contains the 3000. So the top element 30 point by the temp also. Next the element is equal to top data. So the top data la irukra element and the value we are store in the some other variable element. So why we do that means we are going to know that which element to be deleted. Next is the top is equal to top next. So this is the main important statement in the linked list implementation. Now what the value stored in the top next? The top next contains the 2000. So the 2000 value is stored in the top variable. So that means after assigning that statement, now the top contains 2000 means it point to the address 2000, and that address which where element is stored, that element to be pointed by the top element. So which element stored in the address of 2000? 20. So now the top element is 20. So automatically we are deleting the temp next is equal to null. ஓகேங்களா. ஸோ டெம்பில் நம்ம என்ன பாயிண்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம்னா 30 பாயிண்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஸோ ஒன்ஸ் வி ஆர் மூவிங் தட் டாப் டு த டாப் நெக்ஸ்ட், ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கலி வி ஆர் ரிமூவிங் தட் temp value using the null value in the next part. Finally we free the temp. So why we use the any dynamic memory location, we use the free function means that address can be reused by the some other variables. So this is the deletion operation in terms of an linked list implementation. Only in the linked list implementation we are changing the value of the top. So startingly the top is point to the 30. Now next step we are assigning the top value as a top next, that is a 2000. So that 2000 means it points to the where the 2000 element is stored 20. So automatically the top value is the 20. So this is the way we can delete the element using the linked list. So here we are in this video we have seen the two important operations of push and pop using the linked list implementation. I hope you will understand that how that operations can be done. Thank you.